Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video. Question number 20. What is zigzag correction? The answer is, it is a fast wave in the opposite direction. Zigzag is a 3 waves, A, B, C. A equal 5 waves, B equal 3 waves, and C equal 5 waves. So, when we say zigzag correction, we mean A, B, C, 3 waves correction, and if we break it down, it will be 5, 3, 5. Code number 14. Jess Livermore said, "Do not anticipate a move without market confirmation. Being a little late in your trade is your insurance that you are right or wrong." This is a great tip for traders who use analysis. You need to wait and confirm that a trend is emerging before making a trade. That way you can be sure your trading strategy will work. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.